live alright with my crazy, beautiful life. With the parties, the disasters, with my friends all pretty and plastered. Every night we're down to go out, waking up on a different couch. Till the next night, on the next flight. Yeah, I guess we're doing alright. We're falling in love till the sun's coming up. Just living the life. Every single night we fight to get a little high on life, to get a little something right, something real. At least we try. Time after time, try dodging all the douchebag guys, try trading all the wasted times for something real in this crazy life. I just hope some people see there's nothing that I'm trying to be. Let me just stop all this shit talk. I know I'm the new bitch on the block. I've been through my sketchy phases, been broke, been a shitty waitress, but I'm not now. Guess it works.